Hello dear students, in today's class we are going to see how to solve the questions related to random module. Question number 1. What will be the output of the following code? Import random color equal to this list for C in range length of color. So what is the length of color? Length of color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means the value of C will take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the possible values of, these are the all values of C. Okay. Now here we don't see C playing any role in the further two lines. So we can say that this loop is going to run 5 times. Now P is equal to random dot rend into 2 comma 4. That means the value of P is amongst 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So P will take the values 2 or 3 or 4. Now let us put the index here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So whatever output we will get, you can see here for output we have color P. Okay, that means color 2, color 3 or color 4. That means yellow, black and cyan. Okay, only these three are the legal values. Other values are not possible. Now let us examine the options. The first option we have red. Already we have seen that red and orange cannot be the part of any answer. So that is why option 1 is not possible. Option 3 again not possible because red is there, and because of orange this option is also not possible. So the correct option is option number 2. Now in this particular question, one more thing we have to see that the ending part is a dollar symbol. That means after every print this every item, dollar should come. Normally what they will do in one legal option, they will remove the last dollar. Okay, so that you have to take care. I think you have understood. We'll go to the next question. Okay, consider the given code and identify the incorrect output. Please note that you may have to find the correct as well as the incorrect output. Okay, so no1 equal to random dot randint 0 comma 5. That means it will take the any value from 0 to 5. So print no1 and hash. Okay, so 0 to 5 any number can be printed followed by a hash. Now we see that 8 is coming here. Okay, no1 can have the value from 0 to 5 only. It cannot have 8. So option number 3 is rejected, and immediately we get the answer. Okay, anyway we will complete the question. Okay, so number 2 equal to random dot randint 3 comma 5. So it will have a value 3, 4, 5. So number 2 should be anything between 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so considering that even option number 1 is also incorrect. Okay, then random dot randint number 3 random dot randint 2 comma 5. So the possible values are 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we find that 5 and 2 are there. So these two are the possible outcomes. These two are possible outcomes and these two are not possible. So when we will get the options, we have to choose that option which is including these two. Next question. What possible outputs are expected to be displayed on the screen at the time of execution of the program from the following code? AR equal to this, P equal to random dot rand int 1 comma 3. So P will take the values 1, 2 and 3. Q will take the values 2, 3 and 4. For I in range, P to Q plus 1. Print AR I. So we will provide here index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can see that the lowest value of P is 1. So red cannot come. In the same way, the highest value of Q is 4. Therefore, black cannot come. Okay. So that is why first option is not possible. Okay. Remaining all the three options we will check once again. Now all the values will be coming in this order. Okay. Now we have the order green, yellow, orange, blue. So orange, blue, they are coming in order. It is perfect. Yellow, orange, blue, this is coming in order. This is also perfect. But green, orange and blue, they are not coming in the order. So this option is also wrong. So finally, the correct options are 2 and 3. Therefore, C is the correct answer. We'll go to the next one. Choose the correct output from the below code. Now, from equal to random dot random 1 comma 3. That means it will be having values 1 comma 2 comma 3. And 2 will be having the values 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Now for k in range from 2 plus 1. Okay. That means from minimum 1 to 4. So we'll give the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, please remember, because it is going to be from a range, therefore the whatever the values are there, they will be in a sequence. Okay. So 20 cannot come, 70 cannot come. Okay. Therefore, these three options are incorrect and this is the only correct option. Now this is the last question in the series. For y in range 4, that means the loop will run for y equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, total 4 times. Now x equal to random dot random 1 comma 3. So x will be taking the values 1, 2 and 3. And again, because the list is going to be printed, so we will take the values as 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we can see that Delhi cannot come. Okay. Since Delhi cannot come, so option number A is rejected. Option number C is also rejected. Now, between B and D, we can see Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, all are correct options. But whatever is there, it should end with a hash. But that hash is not there in the D output. So that is why this is also not possible. So the correct answer is B. So dear students, we have seen some questions today. I hope that I am able to clear your doubts. In the next video, we are going to solve some more questions. Thank you very much.